Welcome back to my kitchen. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And if today is your first time here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn the notification bell on. Today I'll be showing you how I made this delicious meal. Here are the ingredients that I used. So after blending, I went ahead and transferred it inside a pot and covered it to cook so that the water can dry up. This process will save us some time when frying the stew. I am using chicken breast, but you can actually use any part of the chicken that you like. You just have to make sure you cut it into small pieces. Next, I added some onions, chicken seasoning, curry, Cameroon pepper, garlic, and rosemary. So I went ahead and mixed everything together. I didn't add any water to the chicken, and that's because I want the chicken to cook from the water it will produce. This will not take the flavor of the chicken to another level. One thing I like about chicken breast is it doesn't really take long to cook. In another pan, I added some oil. I'm actually using vegetable oil, but you can use any oil that you have available. It was now time to start frying the chicken. Since we're using chicken instead of gizzard for this meal, I guess we can call it chickdodo instead of Gizdodo, right? What do you guys think? Please comment below. So after frying the chicken, I now started frying the plantains. So once I was done frying the plantain, it was time for me to start making the stew. I am using that same oil because it's full of flavor since we used it to fry the chicken and plantain. So if you love Gizdodo but you're tired of eating gizzard, then this recipe is for you. I'm always making Gizdodo at home, so I decided to switch things up a little bit by using chicken instead of gizzard. And trust me, it was so good. You really need to try it. After frying the onions, wild bell pepper and green bell pepper, it was now time for me to add the mixture I blended and boiled earlier. Few minutes later, I added some rosemary, chicken seasoning, and salt. Five minutes later, I added the fried chicken. Give it a stir to distribute the sauce evenly. Next, I added the fried plantains. Next, I'm adding the stock that I got from the chicken I boiled earlier. Mix everything together. Cover and let it cook for another minute. I don't like dry Gizdodo. I like my Gizdodo to have a little sauce, so this was just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, bye.